If you are the owner of a Honda Civic Type R, maybe you want to give it an even more aggressive stance by increasing the track width a bit. That's where 5x120 wheel spacers come in. Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers allow you to push the wheels out slightly from the hub, creating a wider track and often a more planned, aggressive look. But not all 5x120 wheel spacers are created equal. You will want a set specially designed for the Civic Type R that meets the highest standards for safety and quality. Which 5x120 wheel spacers are best for Honda Civic Type R? When it comes to 5x120 wheel spacers, the team at BONOSS has you covered with some serious impressive hardware. These spacers are not some cheap universal set. They are precision engineered especially for the Type R and manufacturing for premium materials. Let's dive into what makes BONOSS wheel spacers stand out. Whether you want a subtle 10mm spacers for improved stylish or more aggressive 25mm setup, BONOSS 5x120 wheel spacers for the Civic Type R deliver uncompromising quality and safety. With their FT cooling design, premium forged aluminum construction, and robust lug nuts and bolts, you can push your Type R performance without risking your wheels. BONOSS Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer while it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So if you want the perfect blend of style and performance for your Civic Type R, don't settle for inferior wheel spacers. Set up to the quality, innovation, and craftsmanship of BONOSS spacers.